Wash away your troubles, wash away your pain. Thank the Lord above in heaven for sending down the rain. Crops have all been planted, but the fields were lying dry. Farmer stood on his barren land, cursed the sun up in the sky. The preacher Sunday morning said, listen to what I say. If you want to see them storm clouds, better get down on your knees and pray. Wash away your trouble, wash away your pain. Thank the Lord above in heaven for sending down the rain. He stepped out of the pulpit, silence filled the air, as all the congregation moved to humble prayer. As the redeeming was spoken, the tears rolled down the face, 'cause the rain was streaming down outside of the amazing grace. Sweet sound, wash away your troubles, wash away your pain. Thank the Lord above in heaven for sending down the rain. In Bethlehem, a little child came down, like holy rain to quench the soul of the man upon the ground. So if your heart's been aching, here's what you're looking for. Just take a drink from Jesus, and you'll never thirst no more. Wash away your troubles, wash away your pain. Thank the Lord above in heaven for sending down the rain. Well, wash away your troubles, wash away